Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the cross-docking in Odoo inventory. Cross-docking is a logistic process where goods are received at warehouse and immediately transferred to the outbound vehicle for shipment to their final destination, bypassing the traditional storage step. This approach minimizes handling storage time and later reduce cost and fast delivery times. Let's move on to the inventory module to manage with the cross docking. We can just dive into the configuration settings and we just need to enable the feature multi-step route. So as we enable the multi-step route, the storage location will be automatically enabled, and here you can see the multi-step routes under the warehouses. Once this is done, you can just move on to the configuration and let's move on to the warehouses. And here you can see the warehouse, which is Cybrosys. And here we just need to set the incoming shipment and outgoing shipment as receive in two-step and deliver in two-step. So once this is done, we can find the cross-docking under the product. So in this case, we can manage the route. So as you just move on to the route, here you can see that we can receive the item in two-step as well as we can just deliver the item in two-step. Now let's consider a product which is cable management box, which in which we are just going to perform um, the cross docking. So in this case, you can consider the cable management box over here. So I'm going to choose cable management box, which has yeah, the Winter Anita Oliver, and you just need to ensure that we have enabled the cross docking, which is buy and um, cross docking route under the product, and we also just need to ensure that we have designated a proper winter over here. So once this is done, we just need to create a sales order. So let's move on to the sales module in order to create the sales order, and let's click on new button in order to create the quotation, and I would like to choose a customer over here. Afterwards, we can just choose the product, which is cable management box, and here you can see that the quantity is not available in the stock. So as we just confirm the order, you can see that a purchase order will be automatically created over here in the name of the vendor Anita Oliver by considering the product. So in this case, first we have to pick the item and to keep the item over there. And let me just move on to the confirm order, and here you can see that we have created a purchase order right now and we just need to receive the item. So in this case, we are just going to keep the item in the destination location, which is in the Cybro input. So by clicking on validate, you can see that currently we have just received the item into the destination Cybro input, and let's move on to the next transfer. So in this case, now we just need to move the item from Cybro input to the output location. So again, let me click on validate. Now from the output, we can just deliver the item. So that also will be performing two step. So currently you can see that we just need to deliver the item to the customer. So the source location is Cybro output and we have to do a delivery operation. So let me click on validate in order to deliver the item to the customer. Now, as we just move on to the breadcrumbs, here you can find the sales order, and here you can find three orders has done, which means first we have just purchased the item and we haven't kept that item in our stock. Without keeping the item in the stock, we have just done the cross docking by delivering the item to the customer. Okay, so it's that simple to manage with the cross-docking in Odoo 18, and that's how we manage cross-docking. And if you want Odoo customizations and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.